Meg, do you take Nikki here present for your lawful wife, according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, Father, I do.
Nikki, do you take Meg here present for your lawful husband, according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to Meg as his wife?
Yes, I do.
It's an honor to wait here, thrown out in the wreckage. Did I want this in my silent pacing? So gathered all the wreckage and you made this something.
My Zachary, on this day I give you my heart. All that I am, all that I have, and all that I will ever be is yours forever. Saan Google to?
Pull me closer now.
As I look back, I always wonder why you never left. I was never easy to love nor to please. Our first year was a struggle. We had our ups and downs, but you fought for your love for me. There are times I know you get tired, but there was never a time you gave up on me. A love like ours happens once in a lifetime, and this is my favorite one. I'll see you at the altar at 2:30 p.m. Hahaha, do not believe. Our forever starts today. Excited to make babies with you. Censored. Idol lang ang sagot.
This is God's will. Pinagtagpo kayo ng Diyos at kayo ay kanyang tinadhana.
My love, thank you for saving me. Thank you for taking care what was broken and made me whole again. Thank you for loving who I was, who I am, and yet to become. For loving me unconditionally without you and in your arms, I find comfort and peace. You are God sent to me. You are my answered prayer, the one who was everything I had ever hoped for. It has a long journey for us, asawa ko. And finally today, we are getting married. From this day on, there is no need for me to pack my stuff and ask you to drop me home because from now on, you are my home. You are my biggest challenge and my greatest success. You are my definition of happiness.
Babe, I promise to love and honor you for the rest of my life. Together, we'll grow and fulfill our dreams. I will be the best husband and your best friend. I can't promise to be perfect, but I will strive hard to be me and make you happy every single day in my own special way. I promise to take care of you as we grow old. We may have bumps along the way, but I promise to choose to love you under any circumstances. You are God's answer to my prayers. Zasha Nicole B. Hernandez, mahal na mahal kita at handa ako pakasalan mo. And finally, now that we have gotten skinny for this wedding, let's get real fat together.